Christmas in advance. Hey, sorry. Because just wanted to do me. Happy New Year in advance and happy enjoyment in also advance. Yeah, I greet all of you. I greet all of you. So today we don't come again. May we talk about document issue. If you never subscribe to my Blacks in Europe and Migrants TV, please subscribe to this channel. This channel we there here we come to give you more information, details, things where they go. Ben Greg, I greet you everywhere you are. Choice TV, I greet you. All the WhatsApp group people, I greet you now. Life Element people, we greet all of you now. Today we want to talk about now Italy people. They say after 24 months of resident and all those things, you can now apply for your cittadinanza, and we will talk about the new policy where they bring the side of the deportation of migrants and the process where they don't bring. We will talk about that one. So if you come like this, you go subscribe. Element is still they go on the online business. If you want to join, you can call 3510851685. You can call me and I'll explain more for you. So subscribe, share and like the video. DJ Diwa, let's listen to the today. Oh, more than subscribe, more than like. This one a promo. One of our DJ now drop this baddest. So may we hear small before we go into the news. So now they understand now. Why you call the form say you know it all? Good evening to everybody. Hey. Nobody. Yo. Okay, now we don't hear. He say if person not talk about you, mean he say you be nobody. My paddy, you the form say you know all, you don't know it all. I greet all of you now. Let's start from the news. One after the other. We will go into details. We will break everything down into smallest particles. Now, Italian government, they don't sign some decrees where they don't approve some of the decrees. They don't convert it. DJ DY. I beg no now subscribe to this, my brother DJ DY 9 days. So now sing this music where I play for Nana now. So after this video, I go play the full this thing. When I go listen, when I go listen and where. So more not even worry at all. Yeah. Recently on the 20th of December, this conversion laws where the government approved. Now they approve this law where they sign, they don't do conversion and all those things finish. So some of the details, some of the things. The part of citizenship, yeah, now we won't talk about. Now you go know, applying of the citizen, they say now there is two parts, either by birth, either by marriage or by residence or by adoption. We go talk about, may you know how now the law be, if you want to apply, how you go take it easy for you to apply it now. He said, obtaining the Italian citizenship means getting fullness of civil and also political rights in Italy. You can use this article to learn more. Who can apply, how to apply, and what to do if your request is rejected, and who can help you. So for example, here we want to show you who can apply, how to apply, and if they reject you, the time where you go apply for the cittadinanza, what thing you go do and who go help you make things work out well for you. Now let's go to. He said there are many different ways to obtain the Italian citizenship. Here below, you can find the main ones, the more details on eligibility criteria and also procedure to apply for the citizenship by marriage or by residence. Now, we won't talk about by marriage, by residence, or by birth, or by adoption. Now, we won't talk now. So now, may we start with by adoption. Children where they born there for here and children where you don't adopt for type of people. He said by birth or by adoption. He said basically if you have an Italian citizenship, your child will automatically be an Italian national by birth and by resident in Italy. Basically, if you do not have an Italian citizenship, your child can become Italian national only if the following requirements are applied. So if you born Pekin for here, yes, the Pekin be Italian national, but only if this requirement where Italy government don't bring now. Your network is breaking. Yeah, my network I know, but maybe we still manage like that. Recently now, so my network they do the code don't capture everything. So more na manager like this. So now we won't tell you people where they don't put that in mind say so far as you don't born for Italy here, as you born the Pekin na you go carry citizenship, or if you reach 20 years you go get. Now the law you don't bring many ways where people say even though you born this Pekin for Europe here, you don't follow the procedure. The Pekin will still read the 18 years, but they don't go give her the citizenship. Why? Because you don't follow the procedure, the criteria and the rest. So that's how it is. So he said basically, if these requirements are not applied, birth in Italy, uninterrupted resident until 18th of birth. So, for example, people will be like say they go born their children for Italy. Yeah, if they born the children, they go carry the children go Africa, or they go carry them go to Belgium. The children go stay Belgium, and they know they inside this country. They say even though you born am for here, if the pikin no stay this country, reach the 18 years, you interrupt in resident, they no go gree give am the citizenship. DJ D will agree to you. So if you know say you don born pikin for here, and you don go move go stay for Germany, may you make sure say your pikin future of resident in Italy, now you don dey start to dey destroy am small small. So it's better you go bring the pikin here without having any problem with the Italian government, because before some people dey go born, they go carry the pikin go Africa, later when the pikin don reach 18 years, they go carry am come back to Italy, say make e come stay Italy take get the cittadinanza. But now they say no, they are not supporting that. If you no allow the pikin to stay the country and you interrupt a resident, they no go allow the pikin to stay to get the the cittadinanza in this country. He said, note, babies born in Italy will get the same status as their parents. If parents hold a different status, the baby will get the status of the parent who register the baby on the permit. So for example, some people, their mind, they tell them say maybe as you born the pikin for here, so automatically they go give the pikin maybe Italian citizenship. They say no, now the pikin as you tell born now the paper when you get, now they go give am. If you no get paper, your pikin no get paper. So may you bear it in mind, say before they go give your pikin their citizen or their national, unless the pikin don turn 18 years in the country and not interrupted resident, the pikin a resident, e dey active in the country where they not interrupt am. So the mama dem wey una dey carry una children dey travel dey comot, more una still bear it in mind. He said if let's go to marriage, people wey una apply, he said if married to an Italian citizen, you can now apply for citizenship after 2 years of marriage and legally resident in Italy, or after 3 years of marriage if resident abroad. So now they say anybody wey you go marry any Italian person, you understand, or any person wey get Italian citizenship, if una marry for 2 years, you go fit apply for Italian citizenship if una dey stay Italy. But if una dey stay outside Italy, una must marry for 3 years before una go fit apply for Italian citizenship. So bear it in mind. Now he said legal residence in Italy 1.5 years if abroad. So for example, maybe you with your husband, una don marry, your husband get citizen or the woman get citizenship. If una get pikin now, they say 1 year time, if una get pikin 1 year time, una go fit apply for Italian citizenship if una dey for Italy. But maybe una don marry for Italy here, your husband or one of the married people, the couple, get citizenship, but una no dey Italy here, una dey outside Italy. Those people, they have to stay in the marriage for 1.5 years before they go fit apply for the Italian citizenship. So also that one, bear it in mind. He said if your spouse was given Italian citizenship, you need to wait 2 years since 2 years since your spouse have acquired the citizenship before you are able to apply. So that one too. Now, so he said in case if you apply for Italian citizenship by marriage, you are not required to meet any income requirement. So for example, maybe you when you want marry Italian citizenship, now so it go be now. We do talk now. If you want marry Italy citizen or person will get Italy citizen, that person, if you marry her, you understand, you don't need to show any yearly income, annual income, where show say maybe you they work or whatever. No, you don't need to show yearly income to show. Noise Stranieri GH, our sister, good evening to you and happy new year in advance. Noise Stranieri GH, one of our sister, our Ghana sister, and my own sister, where they do amazing things. They do video on documents, but mostly they do one in our language. Yes, you won't make Akan proud, you understand? You won't make Ghana proud. He not straight like we. So our sister, we greet you. The Ghanaians well, I know they hear it. No, you know the Ghanaians, we know they like PG. So we go straight to our sister. So the Ghanaians, more na try, search our sister, Noise Stranieri GH. Yes, he say more na go there, more na go subscribe to her. They especially the Ghanaians, because most in video na in Ghana in the speaker. So the Ghanaians, more na go there, go support this our sister. They do very amazing thing. They on Facebook and also on the YouTube also. So now let's go, let's move on. So now, as I said, on our way they born, where on our carry on our children, they waka, they travel, they go Belgium, Holland, England, wherever. May you make sure say you know go destroy the pikin in future on applying the cittadinanza. Maybe you don't need them, but your pikin, they born am for. Maybe you won't apply the cittadinanza through your resident, through as we too we applied, or we go apply as we the immigrants. When you never marry any person will get Italy citizen, but you won't use your own resident to apply. How the law where they approve and they convert, how it can be. So he said. He said by legal resident in Italy, Article 9. He said it can be requested by foreigners who have legally resided in Italy for a certain amount of time and meet a specific requirement in a particular. You need to prove that you have uninterrupted legal residence in Italy. The law talks about resident legale or legal resident. So basically, this means that you need to have lived regularly and uninterruptedly in the country and have registered at the registry office for the Residenza Anagrafica. So this means that even you when you dey Italy here, when you be normal immigrant, by you come Italy 3 days you go Malta, the next month you dey Switzerland, the other month you dey Belgium. Now waka be your own. Even though you meet the years or the resident amount of years where they need, and your resident na uninterrupted one, they no go accept you. You understand? You go stay Belgium for 2 months. You go stay Holland for 1 year. You go stay here for this, that. They say no, now they know they accept that. So you have to get resident where they active every time, active in Italy, then you can apply. So this new law where the government approve or they do the conversion recently on the 18th of December. So this law always talk about uninterrupted resident, because they don't say blacks, especially people who get this 5 years document. We don't agree they stay in Italy after we don't get the asilo politico, because our mind tells us that after 5 years we can do this, we can do that. Now they want you to know that even though you are asilo or whatever, you don't have to go outside the country. You have to stay here and work here, do everything here. Then you can apply for the cittadinanza. If not, you go apply, but they no go give you. So those of you now will get some paper where now they travel, more now still also check all these things. He said the law provides that you must be able to rely on a period of legal residence which varies according to your origin, in particular at least 4 years uninterrupted legal residence in Italy for EU. So, okay. Our sister, he said, thanks, happy new year to you. Thank you, dear sister. So people where they say they be EU citizens, at least they have to have 4 years uninterrupted residence in this country before they go apply for the citizenship or the cittadinanza. So that's how it is. People where they come from EU countries like Belgium, all those Holland, Germany, Spain, and those things. And he said at least 5 years of uninterrupted legal resident in Italy for stateless persons or refugees, permesso per asilo politico. So people where wanna get asilo politico, refugee status, stateless people, they say wanna have to stay for 5 years uninterrupted resident before you go apply for the cittadinanza or citizenship. So this law where they talk no be old law, now recent conversion law where they bring the parliament approved in October, where they don't convert, and now we they talk about. So more wanna try pay more attention on this, because it's a recent conversion law where don't come, which they approve it in October and have converted it in this 18th of this thing, waiting they talk in December. And he said at least 10 years of uninterrupted legal residence in Italy for non-EU citizens or those with a permesso per protezione subsidiary motivo umanitari or other permit. So people who wanna get motivo humanitarian, those old people will get those permits, subsidiary protections, and also that 147 people are watching. Hit the like button, make we go. People will get all those old humanitarian motivo, the familiare, casi speciale, wherever working permit. All those people, you have to stay in the country for 10 years before you can apply. But those people who got married to a citizen can apply 2 years if you are resident in Italy. una don born, and also 1.5 years if una don born but una no dey Italy here. I don't know whether everything dey clear to your ear. If you don't understand some things, you can also drop your comments on the comment section. I will also explain to you very well, but I hope say una don understand. 3 years 2 years if una don marry, una no get pikin, una based in Italy. 3 years if una don marry but una dey base for outside Italy. 1 year if una don marry, una get pikin, una still based in Italy. 1.5 years if una don marry, una get my radio message. He said, bro, I disagree. Oh God, man, see whether your comment you agree, come again. I think you said you disagreed with me. Yeah, I said, bro, I disagree with you. I have a resident in Italy, but I live in Germany. If I did not cut my resident or and nor get affect, and moreover, you are reading. Okay. Yeah, you can disagree with me. So if whether I'm the website that I'm reading for is not the problem, but you can go to your lawyer. If you have a lawyer, you can contact your lawyer, and you can also go to the official Gazzetta and also read it by yourself if you know you are Italian, because I know my people who are watching me, even though we bring the official Gazzetta and we are reading from Gazzetta straightforward, even those people, our people can't understand. So that's how it is. We are here, we speak PG, so we do our video in PG. So you can go to the official Gazzetta and read it by yourself the way you understand it and the way you like it, because I'm doing the video for more than 150 people are watching now, and by tomorrow come check it, you see more than 4,000 people have watched it. So all these people who are watching, all of them, their brain is not like your own. You can agree with me or disagree with me. That's human being. I did not force you. I did not invite you to watch the video. So it's your own cup of tea. They said uninterrupted resident. So if you go ask your lawyer that if I'm staying in Italy here, maybe I have a document here, but I'm staying in Malta, whether I can apply for resident cittadinanza while I read the 5 years, they will tell you. I know those are the people that if they get asilo politico, they will go stay for Malta. Instead of them to stay here, do something where they will go stay Malta. If they tell them the law, they will say no be true. So tomorrow, if they come the thing, they go apply, they no fit get the thing. Now there they will call you, bro, so I need support. Now there me go let you know, say you be mumu. Now so it be. So you can choose to disagree with me. That one, now your own cup of tea. Let's go on to the other one. He said, to prove your uninterrupted legal resident, you must provide a historical resident certificate or also certificato di residenza in Italiano. You can also request it at the anagraphy office of the commune where you live. So that's how it is. You can also apply there. Yes, sister, Noi Stranieri GH. You know, that's how whatever you are doing. So the video that we are doing, we have more than 10,000 people who are, you understand, watching us, and more matured person than who is speaking that he disagree with me. So that's why if you go to our country, if they are voting, they will have NDC, MPP. They will have CPP, whatever, APC, and so that's why they have Buhari government and they have Atiku and the rest. So who agree with Buhari, who vote for Buhari, who agree with Dangote or Atiku, he will vote for them, you understand? So that's how the life ways. We are human beings, so we cannot follow one way, you understand? We can't follow, but I bet you one day you call me and say, bros, I beg help me, or this thing I don't understand. That day me go tell you my mind. When I know now, that one I go tell you, because I don't force you to watch. So if you know better than me, why even wasting your time sitting with me, watching me and commenting? You have to better go and sleep, because now getting to 9 o'clock, and you they watch who you disagree with. How come you they watch me? Meaning say you agree with me, but hypocrisy. Maybe self na blogger. So if it be like that, you understand. So now so it be. So let's go. Let's continue. He said, please mind that discontinuity of the Prefectura and the Ministry of Interior will send you a rejection notice if your historical residence certificate does not prove that you have uninterrupted leave in Italy for the required time, either 5 or 10 years, depending on your personal situations. So for example, there are a lot of people, they go apply, they go before you go here, they don't regret them, they say they don't go give them the citizenship. Why? Because they are resident. You know, say Italy people, sometimes we the black, the way our country don't rough, so mostly our brain is still the reason as our country still be. We know our mind, we get one mind say, okay, I don't get asilo political. And asilo means say this one. He said I also have done the video All Is True new decree which just came 18th October 2020. Yeah, sister, me I know you just how they follow you up, and those ones now people will be like say they don't want to hear the truth. You know, some people their mind they tell them say I don't get asilo. So asilo means say 5 years. I go fit apply for cittadinanza. 4,000 and over people or 10,000 people get asilo politico. After 5 years, they couldn't apply for cittadinanza. Why? Because the criteria and the requirement they no go meet am. See, some people today still they think say if you dey camp, they give you asilo and they give you resident for that camp. You come up for the camp, your resident they work for that camp. My guy, if you like, go waiting they call am Belgium, go stay they come. If you want to renew the asilo, they don't get problem with you. But the day when you go try say you want apply for cittadinanza, now there they go say go your commu, go bring that certificate where show say you dey Italy and uninterruptedly you never come out, your resident dey active for 5 years. Now there you go reach commu if you no take care. Commu go tell you say now only 3 months or 1 year now you don't stay for Italy, because that camp where you come out for there, moment where you come out where they replace new person. If the new person come, the camp people they carry the same person, they go commu. That room where you dey, prefectura know say you dey there. As they reach commu, they remove your name, put the new person. So that character identity paper will hold your hand. You hold your hand for empty, nothing. They work inside that character identity. So it's better say you go. And one, ma tell you, for example, you get asilo. You don't rent house for Italy and you put your house for rent. Maybe you get house or you don't go register your resident under one person. If you want to apply for the cittadinanza, not be only the resident they go look. Oh. They go look. If you dey this country, at least you go hospital. You buy tickets. Most things you dey do for this country. So there are many ways. Not be say as you apply for citizen, they go there dash you the citizen. There are not many ways to catch you, say you know they this country. So may we still reason all those things. So not be say you get only resident, you come out, you go stay Belgium. You think 10 years come, you won't go apply citizen. They bring a picture, now they show on the muta and waiting in do with those controllers. So you think say you don't do a commissioner, no know them. If the person where you do with a no one mind you, it no one mind you. So most at times, maybe they use our brain, maybe we not fall into victim because you go pay, say you go pay all those money for cittadinanza. At the end of the day, you go, they go bounce you. You can get asilo and move to Holland. 5 years you come, they go renew for you. They no get. And I know some people when they get asilo, they move, go outside country, go stay, they come. They revoke the paper from their hand. So sometimes if the thing never happened to you, now then you go know say yes, they really talk and say the thing if you work. So may we bear in mind, most people get subsidiary. If they dey Trento, they go renew more than 3 times. They go still they use the European Union passport, this titolo di viaggio. But Piemonte, if you renew once, they go tell you say go apply for your country passport. Some go get subsidiary, they go tell and say they no go let her use the titolo di viaggio. So every questura get the way you won't consider you, and every way you won't do you. So maybe also bear all these things in mind. Now make I talk say sometimes who go school go learn electrical. If they show something about history or about government or about law, you go there somehow to in brain because no being steady. But if you get small idea, you must understand how law is. Sometimes if I do video, I try to tell you, if you get lawyer, do the requirement from your lawyer. Your lawyer will tell you the truth. So that's how also it is. So let's continue. Yeah, let me open the list. If you receive a rejection note, the best will be seek a support from a lawyer who can help you gather all the relevant and useful documentation to prove you actually meet the resident requirement. So sorry, for example, if you go they reject you, the best thing you can do, you need a lawyer who go fit help you waka waka for you, bring all the things for you. Now make mostly me and the talk we put it in mind. They will tell you say asilo political, you don't need any requirement. But ask anybody wey get asilo political, wey don go apply for citizen, you go tell you say constitution tell am say make bring the yearly income. So this is a law for the country, not law for asilo political. That's how it works. He said, so this place by the Article 5, he said people who una wan apply by marriage, una no need to show all these things. Una no need to show the yearly income by Article 5 in the Constitution of Italy and the law when they approved in 2020 here. He said you need to have a minimum yearly income equal to or higher than 8,263.31 if you are alone. That number goes up to 11,362.05 euro if you have you have independent spouse, to which you need to add 516 euro for each additional dependent person, such as your children or your parents. So any person, the more the people they increase under you, you understand, the yearly income it is still they grow, you understand. But according to this new law, if you the people where they under you with them they the same resident, those people where you want to apply for, if your yearly income not reach the one where they need, if na your wife, if you attach yearly income to your own so that una go reach the yearly income, but before no be so they do am. He said the government will calculate okay. He said the government will calculate your income by reviewing your declaration de redditi, declaration of income for the past 3 years. For this, you need to include the requirement documentation, such as the Unico, the CUD, or the Sete Trenta of at least 3 years. As our sister Noise Stranieri GH, I think recently on a platform he talked about this Sete Trenta and all those things. He said in case your income is too low, it will be possible to add with the income of other members living together. So this tells you, say the news, I never even read there, but the idea is already there. So if your income no dey reach, you go fit add your husband own to attach, or your wife own, or any member of the family own to attach, so that una go get the yearly income. So also you go fit get a clean criminal record which shows that you dey qualify, you dey the country, you never commit any crime and all those things. You can apply the criminal records from the tribunal. Also you can also do that, and it's very easy for you to apply for the criminal record. And also you have to show a school certificate. You have to show a school certificate. So that one una wey never go school and una wey they talk say una need husband certificate na certificate, you need a school certificate to show say as you come to the country you dey go school. No be say you go there as you go say your husband certificate is your certificate, wetin carabinieri go tell you. So if you know say you dey the country, you no wan go school, say my husband certificate is my certificate. If your husband na chef for Kwoko, if he no go work or he stop work, may you carry his certificate of that work, or may you go find job, say na your husband certificate, whether you go fit use am work. Or your husband na lawyer, you dey house, you no gree go lawyer school, law school, you finish, you say my husband certificate is my certificate, you won't go use your husband in this thing, in law certificate, you go court, go judge issue. Now there they go give you 35 years imprisonment if you come back. You no go ever say my husband certificate is my certificate. So may you try your best. May you try your best to get your school certificate, so that the thing no go help you. The school certificate, so even if you get Terza Media, you can also do that. You understand? If you get a Terza Media, you can use your Terza Media result also to do it. And maybe if you need more details, if you want to apply, you fit go to the Patronatos. You understand? They go help you. they will help you to get all the details well, because the patronatos, if you una wey not get lawyers, if una do like that, the patronatos go help una make una do everything well. So may you try your best as much as you can. May you try your best as much as you can. The school, may you go. May you not put in mind say your husband's certificate is your certificate. You understand? So things ways, for example, if you won't go you go buy, you go get the 16-year-old revenue stamp, birth certificate, and also criminal certificate of the country of origin, translate to Italian. Somebody will call. Abeg una wey dey call me, make una stop calling. So all these things na things wey be like say you go buy. I go drop the link in the WhatsApp group so that you get everything. You get everything. And they try man fetch up the school certificate, the type wey they need. But who get Telsa Media, you will feel qualify for that way. You no get any problem. So una wey no dey go school for this country, make una try una best go the school, because if they say go apply for something, maybe you go meet all the requirements where they need. You understand? You go meet all the requirements, but because you don't get school certificate, that one to go still affect you where you know go fee apply for waiting you won't apply. So it's best for you to also go the school. You understand? And most important, the residents, may you know they uninterrupted. May you make sure say you did the country active where problem no go come on your resident. So in this new law, let's go to one place now. The criteria and everything I don't explain now. Give you things where you need. Especially the uninterrupted resident. Now let's go to the side of the deporting side and the people will be like say they don't put them for deportation side. How the government he said you won't put the measures on people where they won't deport their enemy. Let's talk about that one. This one DJ DY say thank you so much. DJ agree with you too. Let's talk about that place because the Lord they spoke about many things. Let's talk about that place for final one. May we know how things go be. Okay. He said, for those held in detention center, those who are held in detention center, the maximum time for being held in the center for repatriation, CPR, or is now held. This means that the person can stay in a holding center for repatriation for a maximum of 90 days. While before it was up to 180 days. So now, for example, people will be like say the day deportation center where they won't deport them. Now make sure so you don't go get any problem in deportation centers. Before now 180 days, now you go fee stay for that deportation center. But now they don't reduce and count 90 days. 90 days now. So now it means that if you do any crime, they put you for deportation center. You have only 90 days, which is 3 months. Coronavirus. One person is saying name na coronavirus. Yeah, you have up to 90 days. Now they go come out you for that place. And he said, why before it was 80 days. However, if the person is from a country that signed repatriation agreement, the detention period can be extended for another 30 days, going up to total of 120 days. So, for example, maybe your country, they get agreement of deportation with Italian. Those people, they can add another 30 days for you in case if you get lawyer, you won't fight your case. You have the right to also request it. And they will leave you for another 30 days, which will let it be 120 days. After the 120 days, if they not fit do anything, they remove you for the deportation center, then you have to, they will deport you, go back to your country. So this thing, bear it in mind. Now, not put your hand in anything bad, because now you know go spend much time in the deportation center. Now everything will be quick. Now they will do everything. Now quick, they will take deport people, enemy, go country. So anything where you know say it, the law no allow you, please come out your body from all those things. He said, in the decree, it is also stated that the Ministry of Interior must ensure that people have adequate sanitary and also housing standard in CPR, also assistance for respect, and also people and all those, so freedom of corresponding even by phone with all those things, right of fire. Okay, so this one in the prison, they said they go allow people, they go give them a nice place to sleep, they go allow them, maybe they do phone calls, they go decorate the place for them. But prison, even though anyhow you go decorate a prison, you understand? So that's how it is for about the prison issue. Now, from 180 days to 90 days, if your country get agreement with Italian, then they can add another 30 days to fight your issue or talk about your issue. But we were our country, maybe they don't get any issue with any agreement with the government. It means that now after every day they talk this word, instead of them to write deportation, they go write grammar, say repatriations, so that we go confused. So if you don't understand the repatriations, it go be your ear saying I want better English, they don't put for them. The repatriation means that they won't deport the person and then we go back to where the person it come from. So now you go also bear it in mind on that. So that's how it is. Thank you for watching and subscribing and liking the video. It's over to you to agree or disagree. That one are your cup of tea. Now you know. And the things they know, they invite person who need information. If they come, they hear the information. Thank you for subscribing. Noise Stranieri GH for DJ DY. I beg more now go this our brother in platform. More now go watch DJ DY. If you get any question you don't understand, you can also link me up on the comment section and I will reply you. The online business, which is elements like business. You where you day house, you know get the work and money to pay your house rent, all those things, if they stress you, you can contact me on Elements business. You go register with 85 euro, just 85 euro, and you go enter the business. The business, they have different sectors. One of the sector is the more you add people, the more they increase your salary. They will pay you 100 euro per week. The more you increase your numbers, the more you receive more money. The more you increase your numbers, the more you increase your money. And there is another other side, which the receipt, any special way you go do, upload the receipt on the website. The more you upload, every month they pay you 200 euro for that. Just register with 100 euro, 85 euro. And this website, the reason why I like their business is you are not going to sell any product for them. You don't go say any medicine, you don't go say any food, you don't go say any cream. Just register, and their registration are just one time. No be all this product will be like say every month you have to buy things, you have to buy. No. This one a one-time premium registration. Now you won't just register. Happy friend Yakubu Usman. This is our brother inside this life this element business. Yakubu Usman, you don't register I think 2 days ago. Instead don't register, so you good may you put yourself join anywhere money no they sleep. So may woman be no sleep, money you know they sleep at all. He said, is it possible for someone to write exam on online? That one me I never know, sir. So if you won't go write the exam, the TESA media exam, you have to go cheaper anywhere cheaper day. If you go there, they go register you, because you have to study before you go. Your husband certificate now, your certificate. The only thing will be where now your husband get will be your own. Now be that thing, now your husband now get by still be your own. Apart from that, any certificate where your husband gets, no be you get her. Sure you don't understand that. And so you go better say this abroad. You go hustle as a woman. Go school, learn, be learned woman. Because nobody say you go. Nobody say they go born children finish. Teach them waiting they want to do. If husband know they ask you the woman, you just did the house prekete. You don't know anything. You don't know green. You don't know them. You have to go school. Come out your lawyer. May you carry in law certificate. You go court say you won't go judge issue. At least as they don't give you at all. I don't say you go spend 50 years in prison. Now there you go no say your husband certificate is not your certificate. So go school learn. That one it will still help your life, your own life now you will help. Thank you for liking and sharing. Elements. Just come and join. I beg ma play on a DJ DY for the last time. Maybe we come on DJ DY now. We won't finish the program. DJ DY. He said you can speed down the way to say now so they take bomb you, my brother. Now so they take bomb me. Now so God now if I want to speak slow, you go be like say the door. Okay, you say man. I explain how person go take get carpal sojourner. Then tomorrow we will do video about that. But more I check some video. I don't do carpal sojourner video, many video about carpal sojourner. So you go check it out. You go see. Just search carpal sojourner, how to apply carpal sojourner on my YouTube. You go get video about carpal sojourner. May we listen to DJ DY. Yeah. Yo. Yes. Yo. Send you one for my yeah, we dey do things together. We dey eat together. Send you one push beside us. Why you got the fun say you know it all? Why you got the fun say you know it all? Why you got the fun say you know it all? Yeah. If person don't talk about you, then you are nobody. Nobody. You supposed to be my best friend. Oh, bad. Why they wish me bad? Why they wish me bad? You call me your friend, they wish me bad. Oh, why they wish me bad? Oh, why they wish me bad? Why they wish me bad? You call me your friend, they wish me bad. Oh, we can show you love. Oh, when you need it, I'm you. Oh, fire, fire. Show you love. Oh, why they wish me bad? You call me your friend. Why? You will never get the baddest DJ away from Nigeria, but based in Bologna, and a still musician, DJ DY. Search her on YouTube. Anything where you want to do, birthday, marriage, whatever, anything at all, just link up DJ DY. If you link up my number, I will contact you to DJ. I will connect you now to now link up DJ DY now the baddest. Oh. Baba give me good friends. Oh, Baba give me good friends. Oh, give me good friends. When I do something, then be happy. Oh, you know the thing like face your matter, face my matter. Hey, face your matter. You know they don't see me. You know this music, waiting make I like and now motivational ways. You know, I know if be like you. And you know if you be like me, you understand? May you face your matter, make I face my matter. See, there are some people, they don't grow up in this journey, they don't mature. But you go see, say they go, they fight with their children where they feel born, but because abroad, most of people they use football age, they know they use their real age, so they compare that age where they the paper they use on their brain. They don't forget say the age where they the paper na artificial, their brain no they record because they don't fake everything, so their brain self don't stay fake up. You go see say old mama when you go stand on social media, you go hear you the insult or before you go know the person where the insult fibona. Now there you go see woman being. If you with a neighbor or you with a friend, small thing wey come in between una, you know, you go stand on social media, you go dey back, you go dey write indirect insinuation words to you. You no fit be like me, I no fit be like you. Why you no go face wetin dey worry you? Some people they get problem wey be like say the go focus on na people life. You no go face in matter. Face your matter, make I face my matter. Because I no fit be like you, you no fit be like me. DJ DY, this your music na baddest. Oh, give me good friend. Hey, give me bad friend. Hey, give me good friend. Yeah, do something and be happy. You don't be like me. Yeah, I don't be like you. Baby, face my matter, face my matter. Hey, you know they helping me. Grooving. You know they gossip me. Oh, make you no gossip me, oh. Oh, you just you gossip. Thank God say God no be man. Oh, you said it thank God say man no be God, and you still thank God say God no be man. Because if God na man or man na God, you follow wetin for happen. Why you wish me bad? Why you wish me bad? Why you wish me bad? You call me your friend, you wish me bad. Oh. You call me your paddy, but you wish me bad. Why you wish me bad? Why you wish me bad? Why you dey wish me bad? Oh? Why you dey wish me bad? You call me your paddy, they wish me bad. Oh, oh, I don't feel be like you. You don't feel be like me. Baby, make you vex your mother, make her vex your mother. Why you dey wish me bad? Oh, the music na baddest. Abeg mo na go lis ten. Hey, hey, hey. You call me your paddy, they wish me bad. You love, hey. So guys, now so if you say why they wish me bad, just our brother won't just they promote just in music, make the music go far, because that one good friend of my wife, not now my wife friend before he became my friend. If you not remember, I tell you last time, say before we are here, my wife we arrived. My wife was in Sicily, Sucliana. So all of them they did this DJ Diwa now say they call my wife every time. So even as we come meet together, we come stay together, we reunite again. Who don't know? For example, say you call my wife, my house, you don't know the relationship between we and this DJ Diwa. He's a good say maybe my wife, now nah, boyfriend or whatever. But the guy now very respectful person will be like say, you know, if you get friend like that, hey, you go know say you get friend. Now friend indeed, friend will be like say, you know, they quick they forget human being, you understand? Long time ago, but still we are active, we get in touch, we talk every time. And this guy, they try this music. If you sit down, listen down carefully, you go know say the guy, he don't really write lyrics. Now lyrical music, lyrical baddest. Now and the beats to it, they sound well. So search her on YouTube, DJ DY. You go see the title Paddy. If you just search on YouTube, you go get DJ DY, my paddy. So now so it be you will get anything to comment. You say good evening, bros. You are your family and enjoyment. Okay, thank you very much. My paddy, the paddy na PADDY, my paddy. Yeah, you go far. Now small like that. The video, Burna Boy, or Lamide, the rest they take rich. So now when the person ever be in support. Tomorrow, if you read that standard, you go be proud of yourself. Say, this boy as he start True Blacks in Europe TV. Now share in video. Now the boy don't big go. You understand that you self you go feel joy. Support person the time where is small. No make him big before you go support him. You understand? So DJ DY when I go see in comment for here, DJ DY. More na click a link, go there, more na support him. This one is said, bro, how are you doing today and the family? Or Ibrahim Adam, we are doing amazing. We are doing so. Thank you, DJ DY. This is your music, not the baddest. Thank you for liking and subscribing and sharing this channel. May God bless you until tomorrow. Adios.